Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw F for fish and flower. Let's start drawing. I start with the letter F. Try to draw and paint with me. Let's draw a fish, its eyes and its body. I'm going to use the colors of rainbow. I'm drawing its tail. Finally, I'm drawing a flower. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Purple. I love drawing and painting so much. Red. This fish is so cute. Orange. Yellow. It's going to be so colorful after the painting. Green. Fish begins with the letter F. Blue. Purple. Pink. Flower begins with the letter F. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. It looks so beautiful. See you on the next video.